Welcome back to the Davy Brown 990 Restoration channel. For those of you new, my name's Barry. I'd like to start by saying a mega thank you to everyone who supported the channel. We've just passed our 2,000 subscriber marks. And I thought realistically, seeing it was August the 18th, I think, since the last time we did a video, I thought I better get myself into gear the day and get a little bit done. So we're going to finish off the wiring that we have here. Remember that this was the last video that we did. We need to put big heat shrink sleeve over that first before we start. Pop it up to there. We need to get our brown and yellows because they're the heavy cables with the, was it the red and the blue, and they were let's have a think now. What were the, that's how long it's been, isn't it? Red alternator, brown and yellow is solenoid starter and power supply. Yellow, big yellow one, where's the yellow one going? Yellow one here. That's your switched feed back to the solenoid for the starter motor. And the big blue one there is the feed to the heater plug. All the rest's little gauges, little bits and pieces. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 with a good sized clip on it. Because again, we've got 2 different size clips, haven't we? We've got clips for the larger 6mm wires, and we have got the spade fittings for the smaller diameter wires. Okay, let's start with our brown and yellows. Is that enough? No, we need a bit more on there, don't we? Tell you what we could do with, do our glasses on, couldn't we? And really short lamp oil here. Got a little light on the day, hopefully, because it's dark outside the day. Where's our other end? So we've got our 2 brown and yellows up to the top. So we need the big spades there, the little spades. They're the big spades. I'll just pop them up there for a minute. Now, our crimps. So we've got our heat shrink on, and then we'll crimp them with them other ones. Because these ones are a bit easier to work with. Tell you what, it's cold today. I think it's 4 degrees. And then we'll give it a squeeze with these ones. Because these ones have got a little compression in the middle to nip them in. Like that. Okay. Get one second clip into position. Right, let's see what can... I don't know if it's sometimes better you know to solder these, but I've been told that you're better off not soldering automotive gear because of the vibrations. And sometimes it shakes everything loose. Probably dent in the back of it there, right. So, these two go to the top two of our plug. There's a little tag right in the bottom of them, and this clip on the back's got to catch that tag. Right, so I'm going to lash on, get this done. You've seen us crimp wires before. I'll bring this back when we've got this all finished. In the meantime, go and have a look at this. It's 6 minutes of where we were or where we came from with the tractor. It's a sequence of still photographs of from the day we bought it up to where we are now. I haven't been able to access all my pictures because some of them's on my other computers that's on the other side of the network that I haven't got set up yet. So have a look at that, come back, we'll have this all sorted out for you, right? Back in a minute. Right guys, that's the main plug done. All we need to do now, run a continuity test on this before we finally really push it home, because I've got a feeling if we try and pull that apart, the wires will probably come out of it. Heat shrink this up, tighten this up, make sure this is all safe. Have your battery on it, make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to do. Okie dokie. As always, your time is really greatly appreciated when you come visiting us. Couldn't have done this without you guys. The channel, as I say, is now up to 2,000 subscribers. Absolutely brilliant. Never in my wildest dreams would I ever have imagined we would have getting up to 2,000 subscribers. But remember, don't overthink it. It's only nuts and bolts. And I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra now.